progress.
যার বাড়ি করতে তার খাটছে বড়া মজা লাগছে আরে বড়া তুই বাড়ি আরে 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 না ওটা বাড়ি উঠে পড়ে গেল ভাই
Help us, as a global community, to extend our hands in assistance and support to those who are suffering, demonstrating the love of unity that your teachings emphasize. We beseech you, O God, watch over and protect these heroes, in the midst of chaos and danger, exemplify the highest ideals of humanity. Grant them wisdom, courage, and resilience as they navigate treacherous waters and provide relief to the afflicted. May they be a beacon of hope and a source of inspiration to us all. As we reflect on the destructive power of nature, we are reminded of our responsibility.
Oh, dude, it's ripping that thing apart.
That they may be instruments of your comfort and healing. We also lift up our leaders and decision-makers, both local and global, as they grapple with the complex challenges presented by these floods. The burden of making decisions that affect the lives of countless individuals rests heavily upon their shoulders. Grant them wisdom, compassion, and the will to enact policies that protect vulnerable communities and promote resilience in the face of natural disasters. May they be inspired by your divine justice and guided by the principles of equity and solidarity. O Lord of all, we pray for the souls of those who have lost their lives in these floods. The pain of their absence is felt deeply by their families and communities. May they find eternal peace in your presence, and may their families and loved ones find solace. May we find in our hearts the strength to forgive and the courage to extend the hand of reconciliation to our fellow We pray for the children who have witnessed the devastation.
Oh, now.
Nanka.
नुकसान हो गया बहुत बड़ा नुकसान हो गया रे
And it's like
Buraya kadar çıkması lazım.
Bizimkiler nerede oğlum?
Anne gittiler. Korkma onlar gitti. Allah
Bu Eki. Ya ne nerede bu?
forming.